right, here we have a 2014 International 4300 box truck. This has a 7.6 liter MaxxForce Diesel engine. It's paired with a 6-speed Eaton Fuller Manual transmission. This has a 24-foot box. I believe you're looking at 92 inches tall, 94 inches wide, 4,000-pound liftgate on the rear, air brakes. It is a 33,000 GVW, so you will need a CDL. Good steer tires on it. Look at the drive tires. Manual locks, crank windows, vinyl seating. You have a side door here. There we go. A little dirty on the inside. You could use a good cleaning, but lift kit here with your controls, 4,000-pound lifting capacity. Pop this open. Tie down points all through the sides there. Here we are inside the cab. You have air on the driver's seat. It does have a check engine light on, but that will be addressed. 185,000 miles on this. Heat and AC, AM, FM radio, park region there, fog lights. You have your work lights, liftgate power there, cruise control, all that. Some other switches there for you. Eaton Fuller transmission, like I said. Shift pattern, all that good stuff. Overall, pretty solid truck. Come check it out.